हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। ओडिशा आदर्श विद्यालय एंट्रेंस आज आम सोशल साइंस किसी क्वेश्चन डिस्कसन करवा। प्रीवियस क्लास आम 15 नंबर डिस्कसन होता। तो चलते देखा आज आम क्वेश्चन कौन अच्छी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। दि फूड चेन इज अफेक्टेड बाय ऑप्शन ए ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, ऑप्शन बी नेचुरल इवेंट्स, ऑप्शन सी बोथ ऑफ द एबव, ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस। राइट आंसर होचे ऑप्शन डी नॉन ऑफ दिस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. Which one of the following set is correctly matched? Option A diphtheria, pneumonia and leprosy hereditary. Option B AIDS, syphilis and gonorrhea bacterial. Option C color blindness, hemophilia and sickle cell anemia sex linked. Option D polio, Japanese B encephalitis and plagiaviral. Option A only B, option B only C, option C A and B, option D none of this. Right answer is option D none of this. Question number 53. Which of the following elements are present in all proteins? Option A carbon, option B hydrogen, option C oxygen, option D nitrogen. Option A B and C, option B A B and D, option C A C and D, option D all of this. Right answer is option C A C and D. Question number 54. A school planned an educational trip for class 5 students to Madhya Pradesh. What would be your expectation from the children during the visit? Option A, they should observe keenly, make notes and share their observation with other students and their teacher. Option B, they should enjoy themselves. Option C, they should observe everything without asking question about it. Option D, they should note down their questions if any and ask the parent after reaching home. Right answer is option B, they should enjoy themselves. Question number 55. Which one of the following statement is not correct from the diagram of the given web? Option A, grasshopper is a primary consumer. Option B, owl is both a secondary and quaternary consumer. Option C, mouse is a secondary consumer. Option D, shrew is a tertiary consumer. Right answer is option B, owl is both a secondary and tertiary consumer. Question number 56. Which one of the following statement is not correct? Read the statement and choose the answer. Option A, the decomposers are called sporotraps. Option B, the energy levels within a food chain are called trophic levels. Option C, the primary consumer are called autotrophs. Option D, in a deep occasion primary producer is almost. Right answer is option B, the energy levels within a food chain are called trophic levels. Question number 57. Select correct statement about wool. Option A, Pashmina wool is obtained from sheep of Kashmir. Option B, some Himalayan regions, United Kingdom, Scotland and Austria are famous wool producing area. Option C, wool is a long fiber hair and is a protein. Option D, wool is chemically related to meat, while cotton is related to starch and sugar. Which of the following statements are correct? Option A B and C. Option B, B and C. Option C, A and D. Option D, all of this. Right answer होची option C, A and D. Question number 58. Study the following statement. Option A, livestock animals are often attacked by bacterial and viral disease. Option B, anthrax is bacterial disease of cattle. Option C, endoparasitic worms infect animals. Option D, the process of eliminating economical breed of livestock is known as wedding. Option A, heading means proper management and care of livestock. Which of the following statements are correct about livestock? Option A and D. Option B, A, B and D. Option C, A, B, C and D. Option D, all of this. Right answer होची option A and D. Question number 59. Study the following statement about relationship. Option A, son-in-law of A is B and sister of B is C. C is wife of A. Option B, wife's brother is called brother-in-law. Option C, daughter of D is E and father of E is F. F and D are husband-wife. Option D, the father of A is B and the son of B is C. C is brother of A. Which of the following are correct about relationship? Option A B and C. Option B, A and C. Option C, all of the above. Option D, none of the above. Right answer is option B, A and C. Question number 60. Land birds like swan has up to 25,000 feathers. They use them to fly. Birds also use their legs for which of the following works? Option A, scratch the ground and catch their prey. Option B, to land on the ground. Option C, walk, run, hop, perch. Option D, all of the above. Right answer is option C, walk, run, hop, perch. Question number 61. Which one of the following characteristics is shared by all the animals given? snake. Option A, they lay eggs. Option B, they are poisonous. Option C, they can live on land as well as in water. Option D, their bodies are covered with scales. Right answer is option A, they lay eggs. Question number 62. This plant has leaves which are used as vegetables. Its seeds are used to produce oil in the plant. Option A, spinach. Option B, coconut. Option C, cabbage. Option D, mustard. Right answer is option B, coconut. Question number 63. Which one of the following animals' front teeth keep on growing throughout its life? It has to keep gnaw on things to keep its teeth from becoming too long. Option A, termite. Option B, squirrel. Option C, lizard. Option D, rat. Right answer is option B, squirrel. Question number 64. Select the correct statement about desert oak. Option 1. It is a tree found in Australia. Option 2. This is a special kind of tree which has its roots growing from its branches. Option 3. The roots of this tree go deep into the ground till they reach water. Option 4. This tree stores water in its trunk. Local people use its thin pipe to drink this water. Option A 1, 2 and 4. Option B 1, 3 and 4. Option C 2, 3 and 4. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is option C 2, 3 and 4. Question number 65. Select the correct statement from the following. Option 1. Animals that have outside ears and hair on their body give birth to the young ones. Option 2. Animals that do not have outside ears and hair on their body, they lay eggs. Option 3. Animals that do not have outside ears and hair on their body gives birth to the young ones. Option 4. Animals that have outside ears and hair on their body lay eggs. Option 1, 1 and 3. Option B, 2 and 4. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1 and 2. Right answer is option A, 1 and 3. Question number 66. Desert oak is a tree whose roots go deep into the ground till they reach water. The depth of these roots is nearly 30 times the height of the tree. This tree is found in option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Abu Dhabi. Option C, Australia. Option D, Russia. Right answer is option C, Australia. Question number 67. Select the correct statement about the khejadi tree. Option 1. This tree is mainly found in desert area. Option 2. It grows without much water. Option 3. It is a shady tree and children like to play in its shade. Option 4. It stores water in its trunk and people use its thin pipes to drink this water. Option A, 1, 2 and 3. Option B, 2, 3 and 4. Option C, 1, 3 and 4. Option D, 1, 2 and 4. Right answer is option D, 1, 2 and 4. Question number 68. Which one of the following birds can rotate its neck backward to a large extent? Option A, myna. Option B, owl. Option C, crow. Option D, quail. Right answer is option B, owl. Question number 69. If we observe birds, we find that most of the birds often move their necks. It is because option A, in most of the birds, the eyes are fixed and cannot move. Option B, their ears are covered and they can fly. Option C, the birds have two eyes. Option D, their eyes can focus on two different objects at a time. Right answer is option A, in most of the birds, the eyes are fixed and cannot move. Question number 70. Study the following statement about desert oak. Option A. Desert oak is a tree that grows almost as tall as our classrooms. Example, about 4 minutes. Option B. The roots of this tree go down nearly 30 times its height till they reach water. Option C. Water is stored in the trunk of this tree. Option D. This tree is found in Abu Dhabi. The correct statements are option A, B and D. Option B, B, C and D. Option A and B. Option D, A, B and C. Right answer is option C, A and B. Thank you.